As a specialist in restoring armored vehicles and tanks, BAIV experienced that many essential parts are missing to complete a restoration. Also, spares are very difficult to find these days due to the fact that production stopped decades ago. Our solution? Redesigning and reconstructing. Therefore, BAIV is specialized in 3D computer-aided design and production. See the design of a half-track being assembled in 3D virtual design. The complete rear section is reconstructed in 3D, starting with the rear armored fenders above the tracks, followed by the rear floor, floor bins and the floor of the front section, and then the installation of the fuel tanks. Next are the backrests and the fuel tank covers. Finally, the rear armor and rear door are installed, followed by the door for driver and co-driver and rifle racks. For the canvas cover hood, supports are installed. If you want, we can also add the mine racks and auxiliary rear storage racks as an option. In case of an A1 model, the reconstruction can be finalized with the impressive .50 pulpit. Are you restoring a half-track yourself and missing essential parts? BAIV is your partner to help you complete the restoration of your half-track. We can deliver you all items shown in this virtual animation and much more. Quality and perfection is our motto. Our reproductions are equal to the original or exceed the quality of new old stock parts. Take for instance the fuel tanks. They look and feel the same as the original rubber fuel tanks, however they are made of high-density polyethylene 300. This material allows storage of all modern gasolines, including ethanol-blended fuel. Nowadays, BAIV specializes in restoring all kinds of military vehicles, including half-tracks and tanks. Therefore, our range of reproductions is extended to all kinds of items for these vehicles and tanks. This year, we even started with the production of new tracks for the Comet tank. In case of any questions, our specialists will gladly help you complete your restoration.